Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube account or your YouTube channel to your Discord. All you have to do once you're inside Discord, go ahead and click the user settings here on the lower left hand side. Go down to where it says connections, and from here you're not seeing YouTube, but if you click the arrow, it's going to expand more options and you'll find a YouTube here. You can click on that. It's going to open up YouTube for you, and all you have to do is simply click on your email address that is associated with your YouTube channel. Click and continue again, and once you allow this to sign in, it's going to go ahead and start connecting LinkedIn and your YouTube together. There's times when you will face some, let's say, failure, but if you do feel that, if you do experience that, all you have to do is just go ahead and try again by basically following the steps. And once you're doing that, you can go ahead and just follow all the steps. That's going to allow you to verify, ensure that everything is selected, and try again, and you should be able to connect it very successfully. And as you can see, it's currently connecting, and as you can see, it is there, it's connected, and all you have to do is just click off and you will see that your YouTube channel is now linked to your Discord. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.